will be a very brief, um, not really review, but just a few comments on Don Marquis' Why Abortion is Immoral. I mean, you have to read it. I mean, it's what the exam is on, not my notes. But I thought I would make a few remarks emphasizing a couple of things. And I think this is really his main point about the abortion discussion. Of course, he has his own reasons in Section 1 for thinking that the usual way in which the morality of abortion is discussed is irresolvable. And it's in Section 2, or at the end of Section 1, and he says this, that it's probably not surprising that there's no uh, really accepted resolution of the abortion question, because what's really needed is a theory of the wrongness of killing in general. Why is it wrong to kill, and does that apply to abortion? So I believe that we need a theory of why killing is wrong when it's wrong, and this killing, of course, is not always wrong, unless that's what you believe. But most people don't believe that. So really, the question is, when killing is wrong, why is it wrong, and does the why apply in the abortion situation? So, skipping through, this is all review. And this is stuff I said in class. There's no reason to go through it again. This is really his argument here of the wrongness of killing. It really starts with the presumption that it's wrong to kill us, meaning you and me specifically. Just imagine two people in the class. It's wrong to kill you, and it's wrong to kill them. That we can accept without any argument. But then the question is why. I mean, we accept that it's wrong, but why is it wrong? And his answer to that is that it deprives us of our future experiences. That is, what's wrong about killing you is that you would be thereby deprived of all the things that you would otherwise have experienced if you had not been killed. As he says, it's the effect on the victim that makes killing wrong when it's wrong. So what's important to see from that is his inference, which is that if it's wrong to kill you because of the kind of experiences that you would be deprived of, then it's wrong to kill anything that has the same sort of future experiences. That is, it would be wrong to kill you because of the kind of things you'd be deprived of, meaning your future experiences. But this really only applies to you, right? Because we've accepted it as wrong to kill you, it's wrong to kill me. So the reason it's wrong, he says, is because we would be deprived of our future experiences. So what follows from that is not that it would be wrong to kill anything because it has future experiences and you'd be depriving it of that. What follows is that it would be wrong to kill anything that had a future like ours, meaning it would be wrong to kill anything if thereby you'd be depriving it of the kind of experiences that we would have in the future. So if that's the general theory of the wrongness of killing, this is the application to the issue of abortion, a specific issue, instance of abortion, instance of killing. His claim is that the standard fetus, what he calls the standard fetus, has a future like ours. So if it's wrong to kill us because you'd be taking away our future, it'd be wrong to kill anything that has a future like ours. The fetus has a future like ours, presumably, and therefore it'd be wrong to kill it. It's a pretty straightforward argument, as long as you're careful about what exactly are the premises and the conclusion. Um, yeah. So I would say that's his basic argument, and that's what you should be concentrating on. But you should read it. I mean, read it more specifically. One of the, I think, in the later sections, one of the more interesting things that happens is he doesn't really realize what the exceptions would be. That is, he talks about there would be exceptions in his mind to an abortion being immoral if the kind of things that the pregnant woman would experience if she went through with the uh, pregnancy would be worse than the death of the fetus. And that's, I can see that being an exception. But what he doesn't, I think, take into account is that not all fetuses can be said to have futures like ours, which doesn't mean that it would be okay to kill them, but it would certainly not be wrong under his argument. I mean, that is, under his argument, a fetus that does not have a future like ours, there's no reason to say that killing it or having an abortion, in other words, would be wrong. But it doesn't mean that there aren't other reasons. It just means that his argument doesn't give us such a reason.